I'm back here with a look at Myro. This thing's looking pretty good. Wow, we got a beautiful move back up here to 2.9. When was that? Just yesterday, or 2.4. I apologize. And what this is looking like it might be doing, I'm not going to count this wick down here, right? I just believe that's kind of some BS. Four and maybe a fifth wave. Um, you know, right up through here. Yeah, definitely looking like a possible move back to the upside here after this fourth wave pullback. And inside of that, you also got you got this going on inside of this bigger move. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside here, smaller moves, right? This pullback here came right into this zone I put over on Discord, right back into here beautifully, and it's bouncing. If you go up a fib here, we got two really nice trades over there in Discord, Litecoin and Caspa, two shorts. Have a target for Caspa for the pullback, ABC, and then we're going to long it back up. So two really nice trades. If you're interested, please sign up for that level 3 membership, man. Get over there. All right, start trading with us, making some money. We've been doing pretty well. Been going at some different approaches and stuff, and definitely been working out pretty well. You got, you're coming right into this zone, 50%, 618, right into this area I marked out. This is on a daily chart. If you come in on a 4-hour, you can see it slowing down here, right? Go on a 1 hour, and what do we got going on in here? Let's take a look. More likely like an ABC going on here. That's the 1 hour, 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minutes starting to bounce. Yeah, that very well could be a bottom here. Could be, right? The biggest thing that's going to really tell you that is a break of this overhead resistance, but I think this thing is definitely heading back up. A break of this line right here. If we come back out here, where could this thing be headed? Well, let's take a look. Let's take a measurement here. Let's go back on, take a fib and put on here, this wave here. Back up towards 2.7, right up in that area. That would be a fifth wave inside here, right? That would only be 1, 2. That would be the third wave of the bigger move. Then you'd probably look for a pullback down, and then another shot back up here. But overall, this thing's looking really good. I mean, a nice push back up, right up around 2.7 here, right? And then you have this bigger wedge here. This could be down here even. It's hard to say. You got so many wicks coming up over here, right? This is from KuCoin here. But definitely be watching for Myro to be making some moves up. Watch for 2.7 as that next push up. Could pull back a little bit more, but I would be definitely watching for this thing to head back towards the upside. Over here on Bitcoin, all right, still has not come up in our area here yet, right? Looking for a push up towards 118, 250. If this thing completes here, if this, what I'm looking at here, is a possible fifth wave, could be getting an ABC right here with pullback. If it looks like it is doing that, let's go in on a 15 minute. Oh yeah, that could be done. Could be right here, A, B, C, and it might be starting to push its way back up here. If we come off this high, and it'd be deeper than that. Yeah, if it does pull back, be deeper than that. Maybe down towards 112 maybe, and then a fifth wave up. The way it's looking, right? going off over here. Maybe, oh yeah, right over here. I'm sorry. Right here. A, B. Pull this down on top. C. Yep, right here. A, B, C. Alright, so could be like a double bottom here, boom, boom, and working its way back up. But looking for it to come right into this 618702 area, right up into this box between 117 and 119, and we'll see what happens. See if it ends up breaking through it or not. When you look at it here, looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This could pull back a little bit deeper, actually. Something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up in there. Something like that. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin, right? But overall, Myro looking pretty decent. And Block Tag, did you hear the big news? How about this? If you happen to be interested in it, there's a link in the description of the video. There's rumors going out there. There's no official listing yet for BlockTag on Coinbase, but leaked documents suggest a non-binding MOU and potential listing frameworks are in place with both Coinbase and Kraken. How about that? Potential leak. Alleged Coinbase and Kraken listing leaked. That Martini guy's tweet. Discussion on BlockTag. There's all kinds of stuff out there about this leak, right? So pretty curious. This thing goes on Coinbase and Kraken, I will be ecstatic. I have over 100,000 block tags, so it's right now it's 0.015, I think, or 0015. They plan on launching, I believe, at the end of next month. Right here. BlockTag's alleged Kraken deal, Coinbase listing leaks, BlockTag rumored for Coinbase Kraken listings, VMEX. They have like 10 other exchanges they're supposed to be going on. The world's first DAG chain. So 430 million they've raised, almost $500 million. And they had one failed launch already. They're in testnet right now. I've been keeping up on this, so I am pretty pumped. We'll see what happens with it. But if you're interested, there's a link in the description of the video. It helps the channel out a little bit. And there's also a link in there for Weeks and Bitunex, 2 trading sites I use. Sign up and come over and join us, guys. Start trading some of this stuff. We're doing great with that Caspa and Litecoin shorts, and looking to long them back up. I might even look to get in Myro here. I didn't realize this thing is getting right into prime time area here for a bounce, for sure. I mean, it's looking very, very good. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody. I love you. I'll talk to you soon.